So this is just how I make my pink fake cherries that I put on a lot of my fake desserts. First, you're just going to paint it with chalk paint, and you've got to let that dry. Then I just mix some pink acrylic paint with Mod Podge, and I go over the dried chalk paint with that. Now that that's completely dry, what you want to do is take some Mod Podge and go all over the cherry with that. And while that's tacky, you're going to go ahead and start adding glitter. Here I'm going to add some fine glitter, and it's from Michaels, and I'll show you how that looks. And here I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing with the Mod Podge, but this time I'm going to go ahead and add a chunky glitter, and I'll show you how that looks too. And this is a chunky glitter mix that I love that's from Hobby Lobby. And then on this one, I'm always make sure to pat down the glitter because sometimes the little chunks kind of stick up and you want them all to lie flat. So here's with the chunky glitter. And here's with the fine glitter. And then you'll need to paint your stem in white chalk paint as well. And then I'm just going over that with the same Mod Podge and light pink mixture as I used on the cherry base. And when that paint dries, you can go over it again with some Mod Podge just to make sure that it's sealed, and go ahead and go over the glitter part of the cherry with more Mod Podge too. And this is how it looks. These are some of the projects I've used these cherries on. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I always appreciate it if you subscribe so you can see more of my fake bake tutorials. Thank you.